if you are new, welcome. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make this beach theme box. Perfect for the summer, perfect for spring, perfect for any occasion, honestly. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here I have the things that you are going to need. Your silicone mold, some strawberries, Ziploc bags, chocolate, one for your heart and one for strawberries. Color mill, we will be using the color latte, sage, and bell blue. Your silicone molds, the alphabet and the seashells. This other silicone mold, it's by Lavender's Bake Shop. I will be putting the links down below. White fondant and your fondant rolling pin. Okay you guys, so let's start with our heart. Let's go ahead and melt our chocolate. Once your chocolate is fully melted, go ahead and color it with the color Sage by Color Mill. And once you're done, go ahead and add the chocolate into your heart mold to make sure you cover all the edges and creases. Moving on to our strawberries, make sure they are super clean and dry because you don't want to dip your wet strawberries into chocolate because chocolate and water don't bond. Okay, so at first I showed you guys the sky blue shade, but we are not using the sky blue, we are using the bell blue shade by Color Mill. I recently uploaded a video all about strawberries. If you are interested in that video, I tell you guys how to pick good strawberries, how to wash them, how long they last, and all that good information. Moving on to our letters and shells, we are going to color our chocolate latte. If you don't have latte, you can also do this color by combining white with a little bit of milk chocolate. So recently someone asked me why do they get a lot of bubbles on their letters, and that could be for two reasons. Maybe you're not tapping enough or your chocolate is not too runny. When you're working with these silicone molds, you want your chocolate to be runny in order to like help release the bubbles, if that makes sense. Because if it's too thick, it's going to be harder to release the bubbles when you tap the silicone mold. Jeez, I'm out of breath. Okay, so once you start adding the second layer to your heart, you want the chocolate to be in between, not too runny and not too thick, just because if it's too runny, your chocolate will run down all the way to the bottom, and you kind of want it to be like you want the chocolate to stay along the sides so it can create that thick chocolate or that thick edge, if that makes sense. As you guys can see, my chocolate started to set, so I had to pop it in the microwave and then like continue the process. But yeah, try to have your chocolate in between. I'm obsessed with this mold. I got it from Michael's. As you can see, the seashells look very real. All the little details the seashell has, like it makes it look real, you know. I have some other seashell molds from Amazon and some other baking supply stores, and it's not the same. So I highly recommend you guys to get this mold. To create two ropes for our last two strawberries. This silicone mold is from Lavender's Bake Shop and the white fondant from Wilton. I will be putting the links down below. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. Are you guys watching this video because you are a strawberry business owner and you want to learn new techniques, or you want to start a strawberry business and you want to learn, or you just watch these type of videos because they are satisfying? Please let me know. our heart, this process can be really hard for some of you guys. So that's why take your time, and if you are a beginner, I recommend you to do this heart maybe like 4 hours before the pickup time, before your client gets there, because if it breaks, you still have time to make another one. Or you can even make it overnight, like the night before. It's totally fine. Nothing will happen to your heart. Just leave it in a box, close it, leave it on the counter, and nothing will happen. If your heart breaks when you are doing the demolding process, that means the middle of the heart is too thin or your edges are too thin. So that's why you have to make sure you have enough chocolate in the center and along the edges. One of the reasons why your chocolate heart is sweating is because you leave it in the freezer for way too long. I normally leave it within 10 minutes when I'm doing the first step, but for the second step, like when I'm adding the second layer, I leave it maybe around 5 minutes. So as soon as, well, no, actually, yeah, like around 5 to 7 minutes. Also, because you don't want to demold your heart when your chocolate is very soft. You want your chocolate to be hard, solid, and cold to the touch, if that makes sense. If you guys are struggling a lot with this heart mold, I do have another option. I will be putting the link down below. Lavender's Bake Shop carries this mold. So basically the silicone is thin, which is easier to demold. So I'm thinking on making a video about chocolate. I want to review different brands of chocolate. So please do me a favor and comment down below what brand should I review. Okay, this video is going to be so fun and exciting just because there's a lot of chocolate brands out there, and I just can't wait to do this video so we can compare pricing, taste, what's it called? The consistency, there we go. The consistency and all that good stuff. So if you guys are really interested in this video, please comment down below. I need your guys' help. Thank you. We are finally done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to show support. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I can't wait to see you on my next video. God bless.